Okay, let's try out this soft closed door feature. Very good material quality.
If you want to turn the screen, just touch this one.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Very premium material. Awesome. Okay, soft touch leather. It's not so much as leather though. Hard touch leather. Very premium dash, what you expect in a Range Rover. Okay, let's start it up. Guess we need the key. It's okay. Very premium materials. Yep, this is the 2021 Autobiography SV. Only has 48 miles on it. Have a refrigerator right here. Very comfortable. Okay, got the lighting. Oh, guess I need the key for that as well. Okay, I guess the up button doesn't retract the glove compartment, but that's okay. It's time to look at the back seat. To the back seat review. Oh, feeling like a king back here. Just go ahead and shut the door. Oh, such a loud thud. So let's do soft close. You see, control each side of the window with the press of a button or both. Window control. Seat control. Speaker in the back. From what I was told from the dealer, that is a 10-inch speaker. I'm still finding that pretty hard to believe, but still, I assume it's a really big speaker. If I had to guess, maybe 6.5 or 6x9. But I'll let you guys comment on that, what you guys think. What size speaker that may be in the back. Okay. There you got the vents, all premium materials, premium knobs. Love it. We have two USB-Cs, well, USB fast charging ports. I wish they were USB-Cs. Very spacious. Of course, the roof is wrapped in leather. Premium air vents. See, right in the back of this type of vehicle, make me want to just have coats hanging around, because it's a very premium coat hanger, or whatever you want to hang on here. If you're a female, you could probably hang your Prada on here, Gucci purse, whatever. Okay, let's look at the back. Again, MSRP $202,000. Okay, just sit here. As you can see, seat controls and everything right here. This lowers and raises the. Okay, we're gonna test the raise out. So let's test out the lowering. Nice. And we have two more 10-inch subs on each side. So we're gonna close the boot.